Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Alex, the architect for Backfrap, and today we'll keep exploring our CRUD application in React Native with Parse. So in these first videos, we are going to see the C from CRUD, creating objects. And on the last video, we created a very simple object with just one property. Today, we're going to add new properties to that same class. So right here I have my Backfrap Parse application with my employee class where we created an object with a property called name, and I set AlexK for that name. And in here, in my Visual Studio, I created another text input to handle a telephone. And to add that telephone, what we're going to do first is create a const telephone and set telephone to use state so we can persist data on the application as well. And then the same way we did for the name, I'm going to create a const telephone value that we call the telephone. And to set that telephone to the employee, and remember, I don't have any telephone property in here yet. All I have to do is do employee.set telephone and telephone value. This will tell Parse to create a new property if it doesn't exist and set that value and then try to save it the same way we did before. So I'm going to save all this and run yarn iOS. This will rebuild my application, deploy automatically to my simulator, and now I have name and telephone. So let's record Allison and the telephone 1234567. When I hit create object, it was created successfully. If I go back to my Google Chrome and refresh, remember, it will only show the name because the schemas that were loaded only has the name property. So in order to see the telephone, I have to fully refresh the web browser. It will retrieve the new schema with the telephone, and now Allison has the telephone set, and Alex, that was an old object, so it didn't have any telephone, has an undefined value in it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you on the next one of this series. See you soon. Bye bye.